Number 9. Jake starts at the square in Jackson and walks 4 blocks north. Then he turns and heads 6 blocks east. Next he turns and walks 12 blocks south and stops for lunch at the Mighty Moose Pizzeria. If each block in Jackson is 1/8 of a mile long, how far is the Mighty Moose from the square? So the best way to do these is always just draw a picture. So you start at the square in Jackson, I'll call that J. He walks 4 blocks north, so we'll say that's 4. And then he heads 6 blocks east, and then he turns and walks 12 blocks south. And this is when he ends up at the pizzeria. So he goes 12 blocks south, ends up at the pizzeria, and it says each block in Jackson is 1/8 of a mile long. So let's see, if we think about this in terms of coordinates, or in terms of what he ends up doing in the end. If this is the origin, this is 0, 0, then in the end, he's ended up 6 blocks to the right, and he goes up 4 and down 12, so he ends up in the end 8 below. So if you think about this in terms of distance, I mean, it is in terms of distance, we're looking at how far it is, but if you go from 0, 0 to 6, -8, this just forms a right triangle. This length is 6, this length right here is 8, and so the distance is just the hypotenuse of a 6-8 triangle, a 6-8 right triangle, and so this hypotenuse is just going to be 10 blocks. So the distance is 10 blocks. But the thing is it's not asking for the distance in blocks, it's asking for the distance in feet. Well, we have a conversion. We know 1 block is equal to 1/8 of a mile, and we know 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So we know 1 block is 1/8 of 5,280 feet. So we have 5,280 divided by 8. That's how much 1 block is, 660 feet. And then if it's 10 blocks away, just multiply by 10, we get 6,600 feet. And that is answer choice E. Alright, so if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with a solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. This has been Investigative Math, and I will see you next time.